So boys and girls, we're moving on to our objective for this week. And we know we've been talking about shapes, all right, and dividing shapes. So I will go over the standard first. Then the second time you will repeat after me, and then we'll break down the standard, okay? My turn. Students will be able to. My turn. Students will be able to partition circles and rectangles into equal groups in order to understand that equal shares of an identical whole do not have to be the same shape. Now, this time, you're going to repeat after me. Students will be able to. Partition circles and rectangles. Into equal groups. In order to. Understand that equal shares. Of an identical whole. Do not have to be the same shape. Good. Let's go back and make sure we understand the language of the standard. Do we understand?
Yes.
We already know partition means divide or separate. Divide or
Separate.
All right. Circles and rectangles are
2D shapes.
2D shapes. They're flat figures. Equal means what?
The same size
Or the same amount. Very good. Very good. Shares mean parts. That means the parts of the whole. And identical means looks the same. Very, very good. So, with that being said, we're going to go forward with our lesson for today. If you look over here to your far right, I have 4
2D shapes. Not 2D shapes. Look.
I have 4
Identical.
Say identical.
Identical.
I have 4 identical squares. Okay, I have 4 identical squares. Okay, square A, square B, and square C, square D. All right. What do we notice about these squares? Quiet hand. What do we notice about these squares? Okay, even though I started to say circles and rectangles, this is a 2D shape. So I want to show you with this here, and then when we get in our groups, we're going to work with rectangles. Jasmine, what do you notice about all 4 squares? Okay, they're all what? Partition. Why are we saying regroup? The standard says partition. You don't know that means to divide. All right, yes, there are partitioned into 4, or we can say what? Fourths. We say fourths, okay? All right. What else do we notice? They're all partitioned into 4. What else do we notice? Robin?
They are equally in different parts.
All right, let's be a little more clear. Alex, what about you?
They're divided in different ways.
Okay, they're divided or partitioned in different ways. So what we have to understand is here, when you look at the standard, you have to be able to understand that equal shares of identical shapes do not have to be the same what? The same shape. And that's what we're getting ready to see now. So when we go to our groups, each group is going to have a piece of paper that's like a rectangle shape. It's going to be different colors. In each group, you'll notice that your your paper will be partitioned into fourths, but it will be divided differently, like Jasmine said. All right. Then we're going to cut the paper along the lines, and then we'll stack the papers up to see if it really matters. Okay. All right. That's what we need to be able to understand according to the standard. All right. So quietly go.